We sneeze because our body wants to get something out of it. We need to release it, we need to get it out of it. It's pretty much just a reflection. We want something out, something in, something out. Now, there's also another thing called yawning. Yawning is something that's very misunderstood. No one knows what it's really about. But what we think it's about is it's our body trying to stay awake for a bit longer. See, when we yawn, we're not really tired. We're actually bored, or well, a bit tired actually. And we try to supply our bodies with a bit more oxygen. Or taking a deep breath to get more alert and more focused. So just like sneezing, yawning is a reflection.